This is how to fix the Reels problem happening on Instagram. So the very first thing we're gonna do is go to the App Store and we're gonna search for Instagram right here. We're gonna go to the Instagram and make sure this is updated. This is most likely going to be your problem, that you haven't updated Instagram. So I'm gonna press update. Now once we have Instagram updated and installed, we're gonna open it up. Now once you open it up, in the bottom part here, there should be the Reels icon right here. It's either in the middle or going to be right next to your profile like that. So you can press that icon and you have Reels. Now, if that still doesn't work out for you and you still do not see Reels for some reason, we're going to hit these three lines in the top right. We're going to settings and privacy. We're going to scroll down until we see add account. Like I said, it's very rare that you would have to do this, but in rare cases, you might have to create a whole new Instagram account in order to use Reels. And if you have another account that you might not know of or don't know how to access it, we can hit our name up here like this. These are the amount of accounts that you have active right now. If I press the other one, it brings me to my other account and I can go on Reels on this one. But basically, all in all, you most likely just have to update the app. That is how to fix Reels not showing up on Instagram.